To ensure product security and user safety, please observe the following guidelines. To prevent airbag punctures, never place the airbag in contact with the corner of the pallet, sharp objects, or pinch points. Do use pieces of cardboard to protect the airbag. Do not install airbags against trailer walls with splinters or metal protrusions. Place the airbag above the floor of the trailer. Always wear ANSI eye shields or eyeglasses. Never point the inflator towards your face or body. Never obstruct the rear vacuum of inflators while inflating. Never use inflators as cleaning devices. Never place already inflated airbags in the void. Never place airbags horizontally in a void. Never use folded airbags in voids. Never use airbags as leveling devices. Never position airbags between the top of the load and the trailer roof. Never place airbags between the load and the trailer door. Never allow airbags to touch the ground or the pallet. Failure to follow these instructions could result in serious injury and/or airbag malfunctions. If you have any questions about the correct usage of airbags, please contact customer service at 800-468-1230 for domestic. International 1-870-352-5700.